Imagine waking up each day feeling a profound sense of hopelessness, unable to find joy in activities you once loved. Actually, this is the daily reality for many individuals living with depression, a common yet often misunderstood mental health condition. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Hina. Today we will explore the causes, symptoms, and treatment of depression, aiming to shed light on this pervasive issue and discuss ways we can support those affected. So, what is depression? Depression is a serious mental health disorder that affects emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. It goes beyond feeling sad. It involves a persistent low mood and a lack of interest in daily activities. This condition can interfere with daily life, work, and relationships, making it essential to understand its causes, symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment options. There are multiple causes of depression. Biological factors include an imbalance of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, as well as a genetic predisposition to the condition. Psychological and social factors like trauma, chronic stress, and negative thinking patterns also contribute to its onset. Additionally, medical and environmental factors such as chronic illness, substance abuse, and hormonal changes can trigger depressive episodes. The symptoms of depression are varied and can be emotional, physical, cognitive, and behavioral. Emotional symptoms include persistent sadness, feeling of emptiness, hopelessness, and worthlessness, as well as a loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyable. Physically, individuals may experience changes in sleep and appetite, fatigue, and unexplained pains. Cognitive and behavioral symptoms can include difficulty concentrating, indecisiveness, slow thinking, agitation, and even suicidal thoughts or self harm. Diagnosing depression requires a thorough evaluation using DSM 5-TR or ICD 11 criteria. For a diagnosis, symptoms must be present for at least 2 weeks and should include at least 5 symptoms, one of which must be either a depressed mood or a loss of interest. These symptoms must cause significant distress or impairment in daily functioning. It is also crucial to rule out other medical conditions or substance use as potential causes. There are several types of depression, each with unique characteristics. Major depressive disorder involves severe depressive episodes, while persistent depressive disorder is characterized by chronic low-grade depression. Whereas bipolar depression occurs as part of bipolar disorder involving mood swings between depression and mania. Seasonal affective disorder is linked to seasonal mood changes, typically worsening during winter. Lastly, postpartum depression occurs after childbirth, impacting new mother's emotional well being. Treatment options for depression are diverse and can be tailored to an individual's needs. Psychotherapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy and interpersonal therapy, is effective in addressing negative thinking patterns and improving emotional regulation. Medications like antidepressants can help balance neurotransmitter levels but must be prescribed by a healthcare professionals. Lifestyle and alternative treatments, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, mindfulness practices, and participation in support groups, can complement conventional therapies. Coping strategies and prevention play a crucial role in managing depression. Building a strong support system of friends and family, engaging in self care activities, maintaining physical activities, setting small, realistic goals, and avoiding alcohol and substance abuse can significantly improve resilience against depressive episodes. So, it is important to seek help if symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks, if they interfere with daily life, work, or relationships, or if suicidal thoughts or self harm occur. Those with a family history of depression should also be vigilant about early signs. They must contact a crisis hotline to seek immediate professional help. In conclusion, depression is a treatable mental health condition. Awareness, support, and professional intervention can greatly enhance recovery. Early diagnosis and appropriate treatment are key to better outcomes. Recognizing that mental health is as important as physical health is essential for overall well-being. Thank you so much for watching. This is all about from this presentation. If you have any question, comment below, like, subscribe, and share.